This is a quick video to demonstrate how to create a histogram using SPSS24. As you can see, we've got our data view open at the moment. We can see ages of different students. Now if I were to go to variable view for a moment, you can see we've set it up with age in the first cell and height, which I haven't included the data for. So if you need to know how to do that, there are earlier videos in the pack on the VLE. Going back to data view, you can see our data there. And if we go to Graphs, Chart Builder, so we've got age in there. Now we don't want a bar chart for this. We decided we want to go for a histogram, so click on histogram, click and drag the type of histogram that you want. And you need to draw down by clicking on it again the set of variables that you want, in this case age. And so we've got it there. Now if we click on OK and scroll down, we can see that we've now got a histogram of sorts. If you click within one of the columns, I just double clicked, you'll see it brings it up like this. Now this gives you various things that you can now do in terms of editing. You can click on your options and you'll see you've got things that you can insert a title, you can put in annotations, text box, etc. Equally, you can go to elements, get it to open up again. You can see show the data labels, and you can put in things like the interpolation line or show distribution curve, which is what we're going to go for. So if I put in the distribution curve and now open that up, you can see that we've got our distribution, our histogram, because the bars vary in width or would do normally, but there's no gap between them, unlike on a bar chart, and we've got our histogram being shown with a normality line to give us an idea of whether or not we've got normal distribution. It's as simple as that.